Hi, I'm Noshir Zafar, Solutions Consultant at Engage ESM. Welcome to this short video created by one of our experts to deliver a demonstration of a ServiceNow feature you might not be aware of, something which we hope will help make the experience of your employees, customers, and end users just that little bit better. Would you like to view key information more accessibly? Are you looking to manage your data in a useful graphic-rich environment, utilizing intuitive methods to deliver meaningful reporting strategies? Today, Hamza Yusuf, a technical consultant, will walk you through dashboards on ServiceNow.
Hi everyone. First of all, let's think about why dashboards are so useful. Dashboards enable you to display multiple performance analytics, reporting, and other widgets on a single screen. You can use these to create a story with the data that can be shared. Remember that dashboards can be responsive, which is enabled by default, or non-responsive, which have limitations regarding those that can create, view, or edit the dashboards. So let's try creating one ourselves. Firstly, navigate to Dashboards under Self-Service here. And from this page, you can view your most recent dashboards that you've interacted with, those that are owned by yourself, and those that have been shared with you by other users. You can group filter or search for specific dashboards from this page as well. To create a dashboard, simply click this icon. And this form allows you to edit the initial properties of a dashboard. So let's name our dashboard. We can add a selected group as well. And we can even begin to restrict access to the dashboard from this page. For example, only users with the admin role can now view the dashboard at the moment. Save it like so, and we can navigate to the actual dashboard itself via this related link. And it is from this screen we can really begin to edit and customize our dashboard and tailor it to our specific needs. So we can add widgets using this icon. Widgets are filtered via various categories. We can also begin to further filter the widgets. Let's view all those related to request. I want to see any open request items, the stages of these request items, and the analytics regarding the request channel for the last year. We can further customize our dashboards using the configuration icon. Here we can add different tabs, backgrounds, and even change the predefined layouts, like so. We can then share our dashboard using this icon. At the moment, only those with the admin role can see it, but specific users, groups, and roles can be added here. We can also navigate back to all of our dashboards via the quick access menu here, and the specific widgets themselves can also be edited. We can increase and decrease the height from here. We can edit the actual content. We can refresh the specific widget to ensure we have the latest reporting figures. And we can also edit the widget further using this screen. And of course, remove it. That's all from dashboards. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps you to boost the ServiceNow user experience in your organization. Watch out for other videos in this series, and don't forget that you can contact us for further information.